What a fat scout race.
Yeah. Stop coming.
We're at base, everyone, back to base.
Yeah, let's back to the base. Back to the base. Back to the
I'm
base.
Duchess now, don't call me Dora.
Go. Demo man.
What should we be? Come on. Pan scout or demo night?
Night. Let's go to the demo night.
Okay, can you guys give me the Islander? Let's all do Islander. Come on. The katana.
No. Okay. Oh my god, let's go.
Charge. Never mind about the weapons. It's nice.
Let's go. Oh my god, let's look at the film.
Squad, we're failing.
I'm gonna kill this one.
If you guys die, wait in the base.
I'll use
If you're in the base, everyone in the base.
Thank you for that.
Alright, wait for others.
Come here, buddy. Let's go, come here. Oh, look at that.
Give me the katana. Oh, down. Hey, can I have the Islander, please? They kill you. Charge!
What the fuck?
Leave that. Run, come on. Charge! Yes, to the height, to the tower. We must go to the tower. Take the tower, everyone. Kill the pyro. Charge, you must take the tower, no matter what it takes. Red team, no more pyro.
Let's go pyro time this time. I guess let me use the medic to off. Let's go pyro this time.
Heavy. All minigun heavy.
Let's go heavy. Let's go on.
Stock heavy. Let's go stock heavy.
Yeah, let's go this time.
Alright, I'm the general. I'm gonna put on a hat. You guys go bald.
Come on, let's do this. I'm gonna get.
Right, go.
Let's go.
We must eliminate all the pyros. Come on.
Let's go over there, no man. It's over there. That's pyro coming. Got him. Rush him. Let's go.
Can you shut up? Your mic is too shit.
Okay. But he's fine. Let's go. ain't gonna die, eh? Give me that. Thank you. What? Flash them. Bring that. Let's go.
Guys, we must form a new plan. Once you guys die, back to the base. Alright, what is the red team playing as the most?
Let's go.
Red team spy, or pyro, or scout? What are they?
Let's go sniper, guys. Let's go sniper, use the SMG to kill him. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, use SMG to kill him. No, shit. There we go. Let's do this, guys. Use SMG. Use SMG this time.
How about the bow?
Oh, no, just use this time, okay? Use all SMG. Please, come on, change it. Oh, come on.
Alright, everyone, let's go.
Yeah, it's everyone here. Let's go. Go. Let's go.
This door.
Let's go. Oh, there is over there. Okay. Oh! Let's go this way.
Oh, Nadia. No, he will drop me.
Maybe come with me.
Go. Let's go. Spy.
Got him. Nice job, guys. Okay. You motherfucker. I'm sorry, Evan. Sorry, I don't kill you. Let's go.
Let's go back to scout. How about that? Oh, this is so fucking awesome. Come. Shoot. It's not it's me. It was bad.
Get bloody going! Spy around here!
My disguise is me. Kill him.
Oh my god!
Sorry.
Oh, you got dominate.
Kill the scout.
Oh, nice shot. Let's go this way, guys. Hello, come in.
Regroup, guys. Regroup in the base. We must form a plan using chat commands, team chat, so they don't hear our plan.
Oh, come on, Mr. Vicious.
Not yet. Regroup.
Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, forget it. Come on. Oh yeah, let's do that thing. What are we gonna use it? What are we gonna use? Are we gonna use the pen? Guys, what are we gonna do? Oh, okay, let's do this again. Let's do this. Oh, pen, okay. Pen. Give me the pen.
Get up on the floor. I'll be killing myself.
Let's use the scouts. Okay.
Guys, all got the...
Are we ready? What the fuck?
What happened?
What the fuck?
Wait for the FX to run out. Kill them. The best so far. No, I'm gonna die.
You started some brigand.
Build dispensers too, so you can have more metal. I mean.
Oh, let's go.
Watch out, there's a spy. Trying to ruin our fun.
Spy, you go see that? It's over here.
You guys want to change the sentry mask, please?
Fuck!
The spy! Get rid of the trigger.
Oh, he's coming.
Get the trigger out of here.
What are you soldier? With a common glove.
Soldiers are coming. Protect their sentries. The spy's back.
Hello? Come here, Cupcake. Come here, Cupcake.
Got the cylinder for you, arrows. I'm Bob the Builder now. Let me change my name.
Come here. What the fuck?
Come on, get.
They got a medic. They got an Uber or a sentry.
We got Thompsons on our hands.
Ready down, I don't want to
Our first priority is kill the enemy medic. What the hell is a lesbian, Shan?
Come here. Come here, buddy.
Okay.
Boys, up. Let's mark it down there, dudes. Let's mark it down there. All everybody, let's mark it down there.
It's too hard. They're gonna kill us.
Put this.
Hey, rescue engineer. Fuck. Oh, fuck.
Pyros are overpowered. Yeah, these are stronger together. Pyros are just one flamey boy who can take down the world.
Yeah, I had the sentry. Oh my god. I had the sentry.
The high ground, I'll see you later.
Up at the last moment.
Yo, we can hear you.
Go and destroy the nest. We cannot let high ground down.
Oh, fuck up.
We're failing, squad. Rebuild the nest.
Dispenser going up.
Oh, I want to kill the
We got a
sentry.
sentry at spawn.
Much obliged. Keep going!
Fuck you.
Guys, go scout. Abandon MU. Abandon NG. Go scout. Come on. Take the pen.
Nice job.
Who is with me? The Scout Clan. Let's go. Charge.
Yo, what's up, mate? Let's go.
Get out of our swamp. Get out. Well, I gotta go soon, so let's have some fun here.
Sunrise ammo, bitch. My engineer.
Alright, be scout and just go down the where is it? M1 button.
Oh my god, I'm gonna play the Fortnite.
Well, I'm leaving. See you guys.
I'm playing Fortnite. Oh, thank you, Pedro. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Heavy. What the Let's go. Dad. Let's go.